This is the terrifying moment in Alaska. 47 gets stuck on full auto as a man tests it out at a shooting range. In video footage recorded at Battlefield shooting in Las Vegas, Nevada, U.S., a man and two instructors can be seen preparing to fire the gun. However, after 4 steady shots, the trigger gets stuck on full auto and dozens of bullets fly from the weapon. At the start of the short clip, everything is going to plan, and the situation appears to be under control. One of the instructors gives young man, whose name is not known, advice about how to handle the gun and how to stand. He says, "Lean forward, as if you're leaning into the gun, and it's part of you." The instructor tells the man it is on semi-auto as he sizes up the target and begins to shoot. After 4 steady shots, the gun starts to rain bullets as it appears that the trigger has gotten stuck on full auto. Share this article. Share. The man steps backwards as the bullets continue to fly out of the automatic weapon, but manages to keep the gun facing forward. 2 instructors rush forward to help the man, with one grabbing his arm and the other pushing his back, so he steps towards the range. Another person can be heard nervously giggling from behind the camera as the man, wearing a purple polo top and denim shorts, turns around. The man sighs and puts his hands on his hips, clearly surprised at what just happened and relieved the gun is no longer in his hands. However, after a couple of seconds, the man steps back up to the range and prepares to shoot the target again. The Alaska 47 originally had a cyclic firing rate of 600 rounds per minute and was adopted by the Soviet military in 1949, reports Britannica. At Battlefield Vegas, visitors can fire 25 rounds for $45 or 50 rounds for $90.